You've had that moment. You wake up and suddenly it hits you. The perfect idea. An app, a game, a business, something you just know could blow up. But then you sit down to actually build it and reality kicks in. You don't have the coding skills, you don't have months to learn, and you definitely don't have $1,000 to pay someone else. So the idea just dies. I'm about to show you something that changes that completely. Because there's an AI tool, free to use, that can build almost anything you can describe. And I don't mean kind of build it. I mean fully functional, ready-to-use, visually polished applications in seconds. Watch this, clone this, and in real time, right in front of me, it built a working replica. Images, buttons, layout, all of it. Just a result I could download and use immediately. And that's just the beginning. I'm gonna walk you through the most powerful use cases I've found for this tool. Things that will genuinely save you time and money. Plus, a trick to use it completely free with no limits. Let's get into it. Go to a site called Arena. Click Direct Chat. And just like that, you'll see a massive list of the most powerful AI models available. Completely free, no subscription. If one ever hits a rate limit, just switch to another. There are hundreds. Or log in with a different account. It's that simple. And if you look at their rankings, you'll see the model we're using today is sitting near the very top. It's called Kimmy K2.5. And honestly, it's one of the most capable AI tools I've ever used. Now, when you open Kimmy, the first thing you'll notice is just how much you can do from the main screen. There are pre-built prompt categories, UI design, dashboards, games, 3D, maps, e-commerce, each one loaded with ready-to-go examples. If you're not sure where to start, just click a category, pick a template, and it'll generate a detailed prompt for you automatically. Then you wait a few seconds and boom, you've got a working result. But templates are just training wheels. The real power is in what you bring to it. So let me show you what's actually possible. The first category is UI, user interfaces. This is where you build actual apps. I built a smart clock application that displays the time in 3 different ways: classic analog, written words, and binary. Fully functional, toggleable, clean design. Then I went further. I built a smart home control interface, the kind you'd connect to your house to manage lights, temperature, locks, all from one dashboard. And it works right out of the box. Whether it's a personal tool or something you want to publish for other people to use, this is where ideas become real products, fast. Now, this next one is where things get really interesting, especially if you're thinking about making money. Dashboards. I built a full podcast analytics dashboard, total downloads, listener demographics, listening trends over time, episode performance, all laid out with clean charts and data visualizations. It took seconds. Now imagine plugging in your actual data, or better yet, plugging in a client's data and selling this as a service. Custom dashboards delivered in minutes that would normally take a developer hours to build. I also made a crypto portfolio tracker. Same idea. Feed it the holdings data, and it generates a polished, interactive dashboard instantly. And remember, these are just examples. You can build a dashboard for literally anything: sales, fitness, inventory, social media, finances, whatever your client or your business needs. Here's a trick that takes this even further. Remember that Netflix clone from the intro? Once it's built, you can keep talking to the AI. Tell it to change the color scheme, swap the layout, add new sections, and it updates everything in real time. So you're not just cloning, you're using existing designs as a starting point, then customizing them into something completely your own. And it works with any platform. I cloned Duolingo's interface and turned it into a personalized learning academy. Same polished feel, completely different content. You could do this with any app or website that inspires you. All right, this is the one I was most excited about. I've always wanted to make video games, but I never learned to code, so I never tried. This tool removes that barrier entirely. You describe a game, or pick one from the built-in catalog, and it builds a playable version right there in the browser. No setup, no compiling, no game engine to learn. You just play it.
I made my own Pac-Man, fully playable
And you can go way beyond classics. Describe something original and watch it come to life. Whether you want to build something for fun or actually release a game for people to play, this makes it possible for anyone. Next up, 3D design. And this one has serious professional applications. I built an interactive room designer. You can place furniture, change materials, adjust lighting, the kind of tool an interior designer would use to show a client what their space will look like before any work begins. You could also describe a physical product and have it generate a 3D web showcase, something you'd embed on a product page so customers can rotate and explore it in real time. But if we actually want to sell these apps, we need to create an ad that grabs the attention of the biggest brands. So now, I'm going to show you the method I'm using to create personalized ads. First, we need an image of the product we want to sell. Then, we're going to jump into Higgsfield, where you can use the best AI models on the market all in one platform. We'll go into Nano. Here, we can generate any kind of image in maximum quality, and most importantly, the feature we're using today. We upload our product image, and we ask it to generate 4 horizontal images at max quality. In the prompt, we tell it to place that product into different, super eye-catching backgrounds, places companies would never normally take what they sell. As you can see, this model can generate up to 4 images at once, so we'll save the ones we like the most. And now, we're going to turn them into really attention-grabbing ads. Next, we go to Video and open Kling 3.0. Here, we'll add the images one by one as the start frame, set the duration, aspect ratio, and quality, and in the prompt, we can ask for anything, from a natural animation to something more dramatic happening on screen. I'm leaving the direct link to this platform in the description and in the first pinned comment. Thanks to Higgsfield for sponsoring this video. And here's a fun one. It's incredible at building retro interfaces. I'm talking old school console UIs, Game Boys, Tamagotchis, classic arcade screens. If you're building something with a nostalgic vibe, this tool nails it. You can even make them interactive and playable. This next category doesn't get talked about enough: creative tools. You can build entire design applications. I made one that takes any image you upload and transforms it into pop art. Another one generates custom mandalas from scratch, fully adjustable patterns and colors. These aren't just fun to play with. If you're a designer, an artist, or you sell creative services, you can build custom tools that streamline your workflow or offer something unique to your clients. Animations are where this gets visually stunning. You can create realistic, interactive environments, particle effects, physics simulations, dynamic scenes, all generated from a text description. But the practical applications are what really stand out. I built an interactive family tree, the kind of thing you'd give as a meaningful, personalized gift. Just feed it the names and relationships, and it generates a beautiful, explorable visualization. For students or professionals, interactive mind maps, fully editable, draggable nodes, clean layout, perfect for organizing research, planning projects, or studying for exams. And if you need to break down a complex topic, it can generate detailed, interactive diagrams that make anything easier to understand. This one surprised me the most: interactive maps. I built a full metro system map, the kind a travel agency could use to give customers a dynamic, visual way to explore transit routes. Zoomable, clickable, completely interactive. And it goes beyond real-world geography. You can create fantasy maps, custom worlds for games, stories, D&D campaigns, whatever you need. Just describe it and it builds it. And finally, the one every entrepreneur needs to hear: e-commerce pages. Describe your product or service, what it does, who it's for, what makes it different, and this tool generates a full, polished storefront. Product images, pricing layouts, call to action buttons, responsive design, all of it. The more detail you give, the better it gets. But even a simple prompt produces results that look like they came from a professional web designer. Look, what I showed you today is just the surface. Every single one of these categories goes deeper than I had time to cover. The real limit here isn't the tool, it's your imagination. So here's what I want you to do. Go try it, build something, and then drop a comment telling me what you made. I genuinely want to see it. And if you want every single prompt I used in this video, plus direct links to the tool, head to the Discord linked in the description. Go to the bot PDF channel, send a message to the bot with this video's link, follow the steps, and you'll get a free PDF with everything. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.